What is up, JL Life? Modell here.
And Misty.
So, day 5 of our epic trek. Day 1, Poision Spider. Day 2, Cliffhanger. Day 3, Hell's Revenge. She's killing me here.
I'm like,
Day 4,
Metal Masher.
Metal Masher. Holy crap. Day 5, you want to know what we're supposed to do today? Pritchett Canyon. Guess where we are?
Because somebody had to
Stop. We're at Fins and Things. So, y'all wonder, like, what the heck? That's not Pritchett Canyon. I'm not scared to do Pritchett Canyon. That's what I was really looking forward to this trip. But Metal Masher broke my axle. So, it's either twisted the shaft or I bent the flange. I don't know yet, but it ain't right. There's a little bit of a wobble. We got to drive home. We got 3 kids and make sure we got to be able to get home. So we elected for Fins and Things. It is, I hear it's a fun trail. It's a 2 to 4 on the difficulty rating. It ain't Pritchett Canyon. Pritchett Canyon is going to happen. I already ordered the new axle shafts. You haven't watched the Metal Masher video yet, go back and watch it because there's a lot of Moab bump in that. And that's why people break so damn much, is the freaking Moab bump. She didn't break. Stay tuned. Enjoy. And so, ain't gonna lie to you guys, Fins and Things, you know, I hear it is a very enjoyable trail, but it is totally stock friendly. This is the one a lot of people come to Moab to do. It's not putting a lot of stress on your rig. It's just a fun drive over a hill, over fins. Woo! Over Fins and Things, you know? Yeah, hence the name, Fins and Things. The main reason people, from what I'm told, people do this trail, it's more so the views. That this trail is more, you know, scenic and enjoyable rather than stressful. Where if you're going to tip over, flip your rig, break something. Oh my goodness. You're really good at that. Boom, 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 boom. So at this section, you have 3 different obstacles to get down off of this rock ledge. You have the first one, which is just a very straight drop down, nothing too crazy. Jeep should be able to grip it without issues. The second one gets a little bit more sketchier, not by much, and the third one a little bit more. You need to record some sort of obstacles, right? Woo! I didn't realize how steep that was. I was like that. I gunned it just to make sure I didn't topple over top. Holy crap. Yeah, buddy! Now we're trying to get Ann used to off-roading. So she's up. Should I start freaking out as she's climbing to make her freak out? know, that's a really messed up thing to do. She's trying to learn.
Right on up.
And if you're out in Moab wanting to do fins and things, Hell's Revenge is the same way. Make sure you have $5 with you per vehicle. That is the fee required to get into this park to do these trails. Not all the trails in Moab require fees either. Hey! Will you stop assaulting me? Stop it! These are nice. Time for the north end of the trail. It's supposed to be twice as long as the south end, which we just completed once we got onto the dirt road. You go up about half a mile, turns off on the left, then you do the other half. Another thing, I have yet to lose cell phone reception on this trail. Good news in case I flip.
He's lifting his back tire. Oh. That was nice.
First timer out here today. Check this out. Hello, baby. Hi, yes. Smile for the world. Getting them started young.
That's right.
All right. Beautiful. Bit of a climb here. Nothing too crazy. About 3 feet. Pretty vertical. Totally willing to try it with my broken axle. No bumpy though. If I don't crawl it, it ain't happening.
Huh? I don't know, you might need to. You got Patagonias. Grab walking.
I will not bump.
Should have taken the easier line then. You're drifting over. There it goes. Got it in. Good control.
Another fun little climb on fins and things. But as always, bypass available. The only thing this should require is just consistent throttle. Once in it, don't let up, and you should walk right up it. Just like that. Good line. It's nice and smooth, yep. What a shot. You'll love it. You're good. You might touch on your bumper as you level out, but it's not much. You'll be good. She's learning. Told you, cake. So fancy things! It ain't no Pritchett Canyon. But there was some fun stuff to do.
It was fun.
Definitely.
Inclines, declines, some camber.
Bypasses for everything. It was a fun trail. It's another badge. I'm coming back from Pritchett. Better axles. Got lots of trails to do out here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment,
subscribe, and share.
Hit the bell for notifications for other videos. Until the next one, y'all, keep it easy.